This is the first chart. This is about the revenue by month. We have also this one. This is revenue by customer segment. We have this one, revenue by product category. We have this one, revenue by region. We have this one, product category by profit. We have this one, the Pareto chart. We have this one, revenue by payment method. Revenue by region and month. Each region for each month. Then here we have the total revenue. We have the profit margin, which is 29.76%. Before that, we have this is the total profit. The dashboard. It's enterprise executive revenue. These are filters. These are the charts. This is it. Then this is the report. This is a client. This is a company. These are the tools. This is summary. Business problem. Centralized KPI monitoring. All this. Methodology applied.